Now, like I said, that often I get a lot more of pumpkin, butternut, or squash from the vines that are in the composting piles or composting bin or stuff like that than I'll do when I plant a vine in the enclosure there or anything like that, you know. Grapefruits, we've got plenty this year, you know. But anyway, we're not there, we're here. So I'm coming here, I'm looking because I know these vines like this one, they tend to go crazy, you know. They tend to produce like nobody's business, you know. So we walk along, we follow the vine, and I'm getting surprised. Surprise. I thought this lemon tree here wasn't producing, but little did I know. So just to be correct, I'm not here for the lemon tree, but so as I'm coming for this pumpkin, blue pumpkin here, so I'm chasing the vine, as you can see. I'm chasing the vine, and then I realized that, damn, the tree has lemons. Wait, now I need to do this. Look at that. Look at that. It's a lemon. It's a lemon. It's a lemon. This tree, I started it from seed. It is almost about the same age as this one. This one is older, and this one was grafted. I bought it from a nursery, but this one I started from tree. And not tree, man, from seed. And it's now finally producing. Anyway, I was coming to this blue pumpkin here, you know. Let's pull this out. This is what I was coming to, you know. I wasn't coming for the lemons, but lemons here are good. I don't mind them, but this is the guy I was coming to, you know. Yeah, this is the guy I was coming to, you know. As I was still on that, you know, narration of mine, that I tend to get more of these things, these guys, or food from the vines that are going crazy on the composting bins or composting piles, you know. Look at that. Look at that. There's another one. And see this one. Still tiny. There's another one. So, but anyway, I'd love us to go back to this where I planted some. No, it didn't come out. Okay, it's fine. Yeah. So that is interesting. That lemon tree there has produced lemons. That's amazing. That's amazing. You can see the yard is full of food. The yard is packed with food. This idiot who was cutting grass here also hit my grapefruit. This is the benefit, oh God, it's flying, of working on your soil, working on your plants, and yeah, working on your food. These are the benefits of that. So the oranges here, yeah, they're starting to turn yellow. They're ripening. Monkeys will be coming for them very soon. And these are limes here. These are limes. They're getting bigger. Very, very, very interesting. They're getting bigger. Yeah. Limes. Huh. Anyway, it's tomatoes. Yeah. My other tomatoes, they were diseased. These ones, they look fine. You know. Other ones that were at the front, they were diseased. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. This guava, this guava tree, last time I checked, it had some guava on it. It still does. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There's 3 guavas on it. There's another one. There's another one. Mind you, this is also from seed. Started it from seed. This is actually, a year or 2 years younger. And it's already producing. This is, yeah. This is the stuff that you really can't, I don't know what to say, but yeah. Anyway, guys, just wanted to show you what's going on, what we have, what we don't. It's all good.